You know what time it is. First things first, we're gonna wash this cylinder. Yes, we're gonna wash it. A little bit of Scrub Daddy, hot soapy water. That's how they want you to do it. Clean anything that's gonna be in it out of it. So let's clean this thing up. All right, I'm gonna wash this thing up. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can make a mess. Scrub the insides. Give her a couple dunks. Nice and clean. Anything in and out of it. Oh yeah. That's some hot water. And all the surfaces. Oh yeah, she loves it, right? Yeah. So here we go. Should be nice and clean. Get it dried out, let it dry off, and then we'll start dressing this thing up. Power valve, head studs, get it ready. Because this thing is going together today. Give her a couple of these. This thing is so ready. Well, I know I'm not putting the gasket on right here. I'm just dry fitting this for when I flip it over to do the left side. The pin that holds in the exhaust flat valve doesn't fall out because it just sits in there. This pretty much holds it in. So just dry fitting this on to hold that pin in there while I work on the other side of the power valve. I know I time-lapsed it and didn't really show much of it because there's a bunch of videos to show you how to put the exhaust valve in one of these things. And you can kind of get the gist of me just throwing it together here. I mean, you really don't even adjust it until it's back on the bike. So now that that's on there, just a little bit, keep the pin in there, we're gonna flip it over and do the left side. All right, exhaust valves in there. I'm gonna throw the head studs in, kind of tighten them a little bit, but we won't torque them until it's on the bike also. And I'm gonna get the reeds put in and the boot also. And we'll get ready to throw this thing on the bike. She's all dressed out, ready to rock. Getting the gaskets prepped, getting it ready. Let's do it. Piston rings, all the stuff on, gasket on, lubed up, ready to go. It's almost time to drop this cylinder on. Look at that thing. Oh yes. It's gonna be so nice. Change clothes, it's getting warm. It's time to put this cylinder on. Everything should be ready to go. When you're putting on the cylinder, you don't want the thing like that. Power valve actuator, you want it facing, that'd be the rear of the bike when you put the cylinder on. So, opening facing the rear of the bike. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was a battle, but it's on there, sitting flush. Exhaust valves lined up. I'm about to throw the bolts on. Gave it a couple strokes while I held it, and it looks sweet. So, we'll keep on trucking along. All right, nuts are hand tight. It's on there good. We're about to torque this thing. It's so nice and smooth. Oh yeah. So we're gonna torque this thing to 29 foot-pounds. I mean, I got it set to 28, really, because I'm scared. We've got our Motion Pro adapter. Got to keep it at a right angle while torquing to whatever you're torquing. So let's do that real quick. See if we can snap something. I'm gonna go to crisscross pattern. minty fresh. Oh yeah. So nice and so smooth. Sweet. And when using a torque wrench, after you're done torquing something, always take the pressure off. Zero it out. Keeps it in good shape, doesn't wear nothing out. All right, so we're gonna start throwing the rest of this together, start getting her buttoned up, and we're gonna torque everything to spec and whatnot. We're gonna do the right cover at 7 foot-pounds, stopper bolt on the other side, we'll do it at 11 foot-pounds. This left cap right here, when we put it on, it's gonna be at 9 foot-pounds. The head studs, when I torque them, we're gonna do that at 8 foot-pounds. And the nuts, when we put the cylinder head on, the head, we'll do the nuts at 20 foot-pounds. At least that's all the specs. I converted it from inch pounds to foot pounds because that's the type of torque wrench I have. So, let's see if we can get this thing buttoned up. There she is, it's closed up. Everything's torqued. The only thing I have to do is put the carb on and the exhaust, which I'll do. And check this out. She's got compression. Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh, oh yeah. She's got all the compression. It's gonna be dirty. I can't wait, I'm so stoked. Oh my goodness. I just can't even believe it. It looks so good. Our new reeds, our new cylinder, our new stuff, our new piston. Redid the hoses, some fresh lines. A fresh new filter, our brand new spark plug. So nice. I mean, it's ready technically. Oh my God, it's got so much compression now. I mean, I technically could start this thing. So I do have a little bit of gas in the gas tank, but it's Lucas 2-stroke that I was running last time, and now, normally I run red line. And so I want to keep running red line, so I want to get some fresh 91 to put in this thing for the first start. So this is pretty much it. She's ready to go. In the next video, we'll be firing this thing up, buttoning it up, and then we're gonna put our new tire on that we got with our new tube. We got new handlebars, some new doodads for the bike, and like I said, we'll be firing this thing up for the first time in the next video. I know I wish I could start it up in this one, but the video's already getting pretty long, and like I said, I want some fresh gas with some brand new Redline Racing 2-stroke oil that I bought. That, that's what I want to run in this thing, so. But it's rebuilt. Everything's done, other than, gas tank seat plastics, like I said, but that's it. I'm so stoked. I hope you guys are stoked. I can't wait to go ride this thing. And I should be making a pretty nice video for the first ride. I'm gonna get some help filming from one of my buddies. He's gonna come film for me. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. And just look at that thing. Oh my goodness, that pipe. Yeah, there's still some dents in it, but it's not as bad as it was. Carbs clean, fresh reeds, fresh cylinder, fresh piston. It's so nice. I can't wait. But It's time for how much for something and a cheech, and that's it. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. We'll be firing up this Screaming Eagle in the next video. Have a good night.
Look at this guy.